Let's create today a 2D drawing of this crankshaft, which is in the automobile engineering drawing exercise number 4. Okay, let's create a 2D drawing. New drawing. Okay, the ISO template and A2 size. Okay. In this sheet, let's create the views. The front view is from the crankshaft. This one is the front view. Okay, let's move it aside. Then let's create the projection views. Let's get the right side view. No, this is not the right side view. Then let's see the sheet setup, properties. Okay, third angle projection. Okay, apply. Let's create in this template. Sometimes it happens like this. Okay, let's create a projection view from this. Okay. This one is the right side view. Okay, of third angle projection. Okay, now this drawing is going to be dimensioned one by one. Okay, this one is front view. We know already this one is the right side view of crankshaft. Let's start dimensioning the front view first. Okay, this one is 40 mm. Okay, and this one is 15 mm. Okay, and this one is again 15 mm. Okay, then this dimensions, let's start from this as a datum. Let's start one by one from this to this edge is 95.5 mm. From this to this edge is 80.5. From this to this edge is 35. From this to this edge is 17.5. Okay, like that. Similarly, let's create a dimension here also. From here to here is 95.5. Okay, and from here to this edge 80.5. From this to this 63.5. From this to this it is 35.5. From this to this it is 17.5. Okay, let's move this. Let's move this bit downward. This bit up. Okay, it looks nice. Okay, and then diameter one by one. And from the top side view, this dimension from this edge to that edge is 15 mm. Okay, and then this diameter is 5 mm. Okay, two holes. Okay, and from this view properties, let's see the hidden line center line axis. Okay, if any thread also apply. Okay, this one now is, what's the diameter of this hole? This to this is 5 mm diameter. Okay. From center axis to center axis is the distance. From center to this center is 58 mm. Okay. And from this center to this center is 24 mm. Okay. And from this edge to this spline ending is 30 mm. Okay, and the overall dimension of this crankshaft from here to there, it is 205 mm, 286 mm. Okay, and now the diameters one by one. This diameter now, this diameter is 12.5 and this diameter is 17.5. Okay, let's keep it outside. This one is inside. Okay. And voila, and this side also. This side, this diameter is 25. This diameter is 30. And this diameter is 47 should be. Okay. That's all fine. This diameter is 12.5 and this diameter is 17.5. In this view we have created dimensions, and let's go to this view, and in this view we have to give let us see the properties. From the properties, let us highlight the center line, hidden line, everything. Okay, now what is the diameter of this? It's 30 dia, and the arc length radius of this is 25, and then distance. So let us see the distance from this center axis to this center axis is 40 mm. Okay, and overall dimension from this edge to this edge, it's not taking. Let us see, undo it. Let's undo it. It won't come, I think so. That's what we have given. From this already we have given. Okay, and this radius is 60 mm. Okay, rest all dimensions are there from the reference model. Okay, only one dia is left out. This dia 50 and this diameter is okay, already given. Rest all is there. Okay. That's all. We have created the 2D drawing of crankshaft. Okay, this dimension is 10 mm. Okay, yeah, we can create 2D drawing like this. Now let's go back to sheet, and this sheet view, let's insert the sheet background. Okay, I insert, let's insert the sheet background. Okay, sheet background template. Okay, oh sorry, we are in the sheet, we don't need it. Okay, and we will insert the template. Okay, template. Okay, let's see, cancel, be thrown out somewhere, I think. Okay, let's insert. Okay, let's insert, let's activate. Let's edit the sheet background, sorry, then insert the template, create a template. Okay, we have created a template. Okay, so third angle projection. Okay, let's go back to the working views. Okay, let's bring it down somewhat closer. Okay, and bit downwards. This one could be which more down. Let's go to this sheet. Okay, let's insert an isometric view of the crankshaft by choosing some plane. Okay, enter. Let's see its scale through properties. Let's make it 1:2 in 3D colors, and let's bring the raster image. Okay, options. Okay, apply. Okay, let's take this one out and move upward. This completes our 2D drawing of for assembly. Okay, thank you for crankshaft, a single part. Thank you for watching this video.